Hey good people, it's Sheena. Thanks so much for clicking on my channel today. So we are in the middle of doing our bathroom makeover, and there are two doors in there that are kind of raggedy. So my husband decided to switch them to soft close conceal hinges, and I felt like this would be a good time to show you guys in detail how to do that. We did do it with the kitchen. When we did the kitchen, the first issue we had was determining the overlay measurements. When you go by your overlay hinges or you look for them, they ask for what is the measurement. And what I've been seeing is you look where your hinges are, the original hinges on the outside of your door. You mark that, open the door, mark the inside where it meets, and the space there is the amount of space or the overlay measurement you need to purchase your concealed hinges. So what we quickly found out was our kitchen had different sizes for their overlay or different measurements. So he decided to just go with full overlay, and it was the best decision. You can go in and adjust the measurements as you see fit. And there wasn't a difference really in the price between full overlay and overlay hinges. So I'm going to show you how he switched from exposed hinges to soft close conceal hinges, and also going from flat cabinets to a shaker style cabinet as well. Stay tuned.
Alright. Made by your one and only. The Pickets. You know that. It's flush. I don't want this sticking out. Like, I don't want this.
Okay.
I want it flush. So when I put the doors on, it won't seem like it's too in, making it off.
I get what you're saying.
I want it flush so I can get it. And I don't want it I don't want it too short in him, because if I do, it gonna have a gap. I know I can adjust it, but that defeats the purpose. That's all I'm trying to say.